Okay, FM 101.7.
Na mamenko former education minister, former deputy education minister, MP for Northton, where for Samuel Okujeto Ablakwaho. Bravo, Mochi.
Yo, mania, major, so baby, Boko
na so
Nyamiadum, better say.
Na menwu ade bia running around social media. Na was CSC saga. Ablaka wonders how government will justify use of 22 million Swedish cash. Which remwa sa comprehensive sexual education. Wose wadansie bi a kire se abanya kwaje $22 million every Sweden aban ho se ye de eba wa beye we no enchiremu ni say efrihi.
Yo, medase edikan my main chair for nyina na mendamo asese mo afreme no krese andra me posti my comments on this whole comprehensive sexuality education debate koso after metie the Honorable Minister for Education na Ukraine in summer Minister of Education Okaya sa press conference na hold and a statement or sign thereafter no Minister Onigana for ND and Ukraine. Now, I am disappointed, sir, who Minister of Education will be engaging in this level of dishonesty. As public officials, no, as I say, Kai say, Nipana ye lidi, domna ye lidi, our mama ye position, either as MP and as ministers, no. And you say, yena, ye the most intelligent, and say, we can dribble them, and now we are clever than them. We always must bear in mind that Ghana for a very discerning. Now in this era of social media, the digital information technology, in some work in the past is available, and yet the time of old, the whole Ghana, there were only one Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. So one to me anchor archives. Anko bisa or more recorded video beer or more store in their archives you cannot get it these days in some of the internet. So will be able to me Google Minister Wankasa 1st February which here UNESCO for the UNESCO Secretary General visiting Ghana. I will address that high level meeting who can say Ghana you prepare guidelines on comprehensive sexuality education. In that video, I call viral. One Kasawuka say you have shared a copy with the Secretary General. We share Bokra say from September this year, no, or more KG, from KG all the way to secondary school level. New curriculum now, more deploy, no, comprehensive sexuality education account. Minister one kasa we know some one okay. And you say obi na all kasa oh wa na ukasa ya. Before that event, Deputy Minister Honorable Barbara Ashaisi ako launch document no the whole comprehensive sexuality education manual. So we launch a graphic online a capture in June 2017. And the records are there. Indiana Andra in my Facebook post. Let me be say, how is the minister going to maneuver, especially to the extent say on pese obedi no crack, because on one nisama waka ni videos launching on moye, and on the other hand no sika omwaje, and I have put it on record. Say Ghana yeka 6 countries. One say sexuality education agenda way no Swedish government decided say omobe support African countries omoje tum because Omodi programs don't call some other countries. They say Uganda, Angola. The governments there turn them away. Omuka say nyadia, omuba implement it. And what kind of literature now? Later after this conversation, may share all of this documentation with you.
Okay.
Now Ghana, you can 6 countries. You afraid those countries the program acceleration countries, PAC, program acceleration countries. Now those program acceleration countries, no, Ghana, and the lead nation. Eswatini woho, Malawi woho, Tanzania woho, Zambia and Zimbabwe. These are the 6 program acceleration countries. In other words, no, yeka model countries these Western nations or more supported this agenda, no. Almost say ya buying idea to say or more making sure that there will be an example. They have the political will to implement this sexuality education. Now, 6 countries where the Swedish government or more are committed $22 million. Me documentation in $22 million. Or more they supported this initiative with these 6 countries. Now, the UNFPA provide technical assistance. UNFPA. Now, it will also interest you to note, say, Ghana, you recruited a special CSE, Comprehensive Sexuality Education Implementation Officer. The UNESCO Ghana office. Ne so aim na $22 million we si can be na yedi tiers the sa office anoka sa si can be na yedi aye manuals no sa si can be na yedi all of this teacher training packs or mo ye who kai say minister ka say park ne crowd mo chair ye no omo de ma teacher for no bibia ni mo a your friend no comprehensive sexuality education.
Yes.
The teachers have exposed them. Usha page 11 of that teachers resource pack now. Comprehensive sexuality education and documentation in a review from UNESCO, UNFPA, and the Swedish government. You know, more confirm says so far Ghana is in compliance. Bibia Ghana government a share bo. Say Ghana dia too curriculum. They have confirmed that Ghana has appointed or now recruited a program is implementation officer.
Why not? I confirm.
Swedish government, UNESCO, and UNFPA. Okay. The lead international partners with this whole sexuality education agenda. More confirming. They cannot deny, say, Swedish government at dedicated sika. Many ukasa sisi akrano, ya buying any the Ireland government. So I say almost promises say omobe support it. And ukai even minister speech on the 1st of February. Or the Omwase or the Ireland or the Swedish government that say, who kind of full speech. I have a copy of the full speech or the Omwase supporter Omwama. Let us not pretend. And I am very worried as a member of parliament. All of these programs are also Omunfa Bibia Emba Parliament for the people's representatives to discuss what is good for our constituents and to even approve these support, these facilities. Assistance
Abani, Swedish government and also woman this can buy such a quantum of money no na emfa bibi the Minister of Finance and maybe a parliament krano just more approve because it's for a project bibi sa ewom.
One say the way no Sikano, my understanding is Sikano omude ma UNESCO for and a UNFPA for they are working with the local government in these 6 countries. Into Ghana, UNESCO and UNFPA omuna omu engage officers, omu engage consultants, omu training GES for omu provide. Actually, no, there is an agreement between UNFPA and a GES to provide technical assistance. It's a very clever way. Won't say omu in yet say underground be in a very clever way. You see, it's not very out and out and very transparent. That is the approach using UNESCO for UNFPA for and NGOs, international NGOs, to execute the agenda. That sana omoyan. They are not doing it as a normal open facility no beba parliament. Na yenyana yes discuss it. That is what is happening. And I'll forward to you documents even the Swedish logo. Omu confirm sika omu dia support so far the CSE implementation in these 6 countries. And yet, as American, look, we have to be vigilant and we have to be careful. You see, our government should be transparent because you see all these contradictions. I can tell you, say, UNESCO for UNFPA for, I have my contacts within the international circles. I mean, they are not happy with what the minister has said because the minister or sudden youth and we are unadmitted or yes. I dare not more implement money or agreement. Yeah, more offices, more BA office, a whole department, UNESCO office, Jolu. I don't want to put out to more BA a whole office, more set it up, more recruiting for more. Say the work hold the press conference there. The any curriculum Ghana for no did. Meanwhile, the irony is that even UNFPA and UNESCO formal documents to say sexuality education way no faces social resistance. In TSS government now G2 say at the musika app implementing no committee say be fighting social resistance. They will overcome, to quote verbatim from the documents I have reviewed. They say they will overcome social resistance. In Tisikano, one of the purposes of the funds is to overcome social resistance. Use the money to overcome social resistance. There was no broad-based consultation because who introduced it? BBC. I mean, which is alien to our culture, our norms, our values. Who free stakeholders, PTAs, task for the unions, NAGRAT, OBIA. That is what you do. Seek broad-based consultation, including most of our schools are owned by the religious bodies, whether Christian or Muslim. Who free or
Honorable,
you know that.
Honorable, yewo mampenia. Ebra obepa kunyano okase the battle is of the Lord. So kuni nyame kun nyame akoma no. Okay. Waka ayi say saade en omanema. Minister Ekasa no so no wakan say ye were norms, values and what have you. Enya dia obepene so ama saade no aba. It is say if they even backtrack it say ne ka enko twe de twe ne nya ho asam kan. Say omo bibie no ho ebebasa. Minia adeno anya bewie omo ebie door no ama adeno abera Ghana aba. Page 11 of the teachers resource pack curriculum no etaho pefi imeneo kasa sese ye need international partners our agreement sikana aba. The money has been received. First tranche aba has been utilized. Omo recruiting officers Omo enter into agreement to provide technical assistance. What we should be hearing and say, okay, adiano moache yen yayen from so monfanche yen na yen biom obia we are now closing the doors. Be delete, be withdraw from the whole agreement. Then we know that you are being sincere with us. You are not insulting our intelligence. But this approach,
Adiano mo ye remo ko Jessica, and then mo pretend say ye mo raise all these religious leaders obiano, we are all being misled. She said, as if say ebia dayebi na yesum, we are under some hallucination. Now we are just crying wolf. I mean, when you do that, you are adding insult to injury, and you are going to get Ghanaians more angry and offended.
Are you open? Say yes, say more. 2015, more sign similar document. Yene a convince and assist for a PRO for Ministry of Education. Okay, I was say more crown say 2015 also be forward the amami. More sign similar document. I didn't crown until see I come here nada. As I say, if you call 10 person.
I mean, more Ministry of Education cry, and then more say BBA ni hosa comprehensive sexuality education via Emba Ghana. There's nothing in the curriculum. Say dear more pre-equalization. More can say, oh yes, sign here. Oh dear, for the sake of argument, and no pressure, yes, sign here. And they said no more confirm say I didn't know I was comprehensive sexuality education no Abagana, and it is being implemented. You are only confirming that with your attempt to equalize. Sometimes you wonder, I mean, is there any logic at all? Do they credit the people of Ghana with some common sense? Among producing documents, where anybody in the Mahama era signed up to this. This whole comprehensive sexuality education, a new affair. Ye pese ye into ban we pese mo introduce in Ghana. O man kasa omo manual omo ye say manual ye fraudulent na forge the director general signature. Meanwhile, minister or kasa in front of the UNESCO Secretary General say manual no I ready. He has even shared a copy. You can play the voice. Minister or say man no I already have played the voice with you. We have developed it. Minister and Kase NDC for a develop here and now inherit here. Or say they have developed it. The Akufo-Addo government has developed it, and I have shared a copy with you. Play the video. Play the audio. Yes, yeah. Please, you see. This partisanship among yourself. We all have children in schools. We are thinking about the future of these children of this country. Your president will see cathedral. In my first article, president and cathedral now will see in Kolawea we cultural comprehensive sexuality education. They will turn that cathedral into a brothel. They will have no morals to even value a cathedral. President Ghana beyond aid. And yet aid beyond SSA. Sir, $22 million way.
But are you not confusing the issues to say?
to destroy.
Are you honorable? Are we not confusing the issue? Say, Usis Kano, ya found a sharp buying some explanation. Never ya my UNESCO for the UNFPA for no say woman and collaborate with a banana partner by for the implementation. And not just a buying our Kano.
Yeah, but indirectly, no, a buying through UNESCO and UNFPA, our implementing program, no. Comprehensive sexuality education, because Ghana is a sovereign country. Want to mean say, oh, media me UNFPA me UNESCO me yedia me there be here a buying approval, a buying buy-in. We need a buying by signing agreement. Me my Juma was Minister of Education for 4 years and know how these things work. You UNESCO, UNFPA for amount to me and woman and implementing any program without your approval, your express approval. Ain't a buying complicit. A buying to me and say, oh, UNESCO for Muji Sikano from Swedish government. I mean, your name will be. No, you can't say that. You are all part of it. A collaboration. Internal money, UNFPA for assigning agreement for technical assistance, what you are calling technical assistance. Or more provided technical assistance to the GES, Ghana Education Service, on how to implement the comprehensive sexuality education. Apart from that, or more appointee recruit omo ye interview nkrofo apply and omo recruit a special CSE implementation officer on the mandate ni so mandate and it's a CSE no ebe ye juma in fully ewo Ghana. Okay. And he's going about his duties. The ministry is aware. He's attending meetings with them. And young kanokre ade no say who say Ghana for I reject it. You come out candidly and backtrack, apologize to Ghanaians, then we move on. But trying to play smart, trying to play clever and insult our intelligence, create the impression say would the more to me dribble obiano. It doesn't help. It doesn't help government's case.
Medicine pay.
Yo, Mr. Medicine.
Mr. Medicine, Onominyanfo Okujeto Ablakwa. Honorable MP for Northtown, former Deputy Education Minister.
Okay, FM 101.7.